Charlie, Leonie told me to send the screencast over to you. My name's Corey, by the way. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over three free tips on how you can actually start out ranking your competition online. Really drawing a lot more quality traffic organically to your website as well. So the three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I'm just going to run through your page real quick. Get your phone number. Okay. I like the call out right there. Nice, easy to navigate. So really, first thing I'm actually going to go over is content. Really bringing up your content to about 1,500 to 2,000 words. Being really specific in what you do and how you do it. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can layer other keywords as well. And all these little images right here, these matter, and they're all Google in Google's eyes. And you got logos behind there. You can do a little bit more specific keyword wise. That's just going to help with your rankings as well. If I go inside of a Google here and actually type in heater repair Tampa, this is what you're going to pop up. You got these ads here at the very top. You have the old school ads. A lot of businesses have been trying to go away with these because of all the spammy phone calls. So Google came up with another form of paid advertisement. These Google guarantees. They're supposed to help weave out some of those spammy phone calls. I've seen some of these clicks, about $140 a piece. I don't know if you get a lot of clicks, and I know that these can get pretty pricey. Looked like you were running an ad, which I'll go into Ahrefs here in a second. But underneath that ad section, you have this little map area. Really, to get the rankings in this area is going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is, just an online business directory like the BBB, Yelp, CityStar. You got those local best, Facebook, LinkedIn. You've heard of those ones, I'm sure. Anyway. So what you'd really want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. Obviously, don't stop there. Go out there and get a lot more as well. So that way you're always outranking the competition. Underneath that little map areas, this is the first page of Google, and really to get your page there is going to be with that authoric content on your website. All that detailed information on how you do it, it matters. Plus, what comes down to a backlink. What a backlink is it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just ultimately pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take your URL here, your URL, and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So you got 303 referring domains, which is pushing back 1.7K backlinks. Looks like historically you've had just a little over 8,000 backlinks. This is, started your website back in 2013 or so. Really did a lot of work in 2019. But anyway, so you're being tracked for 332 keywords. So in total, you're getting about 72 clicks to your website every month. And it looks like you are running ads. PPC stands for pay per click. I don't know if you're running any like TV, radio. I know those can get pretty costly as well. But anyway, these 72 clicks, we can actually figure out where these clicks are actually coming from inside these keywords. You have your name here at the very top, which you're, of course, getting ranked for. Brandon Air Conditioning Service, your third position. You're getting a few clicks out of there. There's only 30 clicks total for that one keyword anyway. Heating repair Tampa, 70 clicks, 8th position. Tampa air conditioning repair, your 12th position there, so you're getting a little traffic, but that's another good keyword you can actually start ranking for. Keyword difficulty is 32, so you got to pump a lot of power back there as well. Sun HVAC at your name again. Brandon Air Conditioning, 80 clicks a month, your 13th position. AC Repair Tampa, 100 clicks every month, 16th position. Missing the traffic because you're second page on that. AC Repair Tampa, Florida, there's 100 clicks. You're missing all the traffic again. Yeah, their HVAC Repair Tampa, 30 clicks, missing all the traffic. Let me show you one of your competitors here. This is Scott's 1 Hour Heating and Air, air conditioning and heating, whatever. And actually stick them inside of Ahrefs. I just want to do a quick overview with you. So they got 317 referring domains, pushing back 2.2 backlinks. They got 1.6 keywords they're actually being found for. So their traffic, they're getting about right around 1,000 clicks to their site every month. They're running a significant amount of ads as well, and I know their ad count's really high. And if we go to their keywords, this is actually where all that organic rankings, what they're actually being tracked for. Tampa air conditioning companies, hang on. Tampa AC repair, 90 clicks, second position, getting a decent amount of traffic, being second position on there. Air conditioning service, Tampa, another 100 clicks. Tampa air conditioning, 100 clicks. Their amount of traffic that they're actually getting off those keywords is right around 15-ish%. So really, being a little bit more keyword specific on what you're trying to rank for will bring in a lot more quality work. But anyway, if you think I might have some tricks up my sleeve, feel free to give me a call back, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. And also, I would love some feedback on the video on how well I did, or what you liked or disliked. Thank you.